everyone. My name is Nit Aditya Chaudhary. I am a first-year engineering student at the University of British Columbia, and I graduated from EAS a few years back, and I just wanted to share my experience with IBDP. In essence, IB has always been about this handling the workload, and on top of that, handling this research, like the scientific methodology. How do you conduct research? How do you write a research paper? What are the methods in which you do this? What is the system, the scientific system in which you do this? And for me, this is how IB has helped me. Thank you very much.